Hi everybody, we're looking at CEI. Now this one is going to be relatively short, but just to talk about the main things that we're covering in this video, well, CEI dropping now past a significant level that we wanted to find some consolidation at yesterday and some support at. We're now dropping to a point that we haven't really been at before for a while in the past, coming down to 80 cents. I want to talk about that and go over the technical side of it. If it sounds good, leave a like and subscribe, but do remember, as always, this is only my opinion and it is not financial advice. Of course though, yeah, do subscribe, share the video with a friend or family member, and you will be helping us out. But now we're going to dive in, and where I want to start off with is going to be on the really simple chart, just to get a bit of a grasp of the pattern that we're seeing throughout the day. So, we're declining by about 10% so far today. It is quite a significant drop if you have a look, and obviously from the start off, on a price of about 88 cents, yes, we are coming down. So we had a pretty weak post/pre-hours from yesterday into today. Already in that time period, we had broken past our level that we wanted to hit, which was in the 90 cent range. You'll see from there we just dropped and dropped and dropped, coming down to 83. Now some consolidation there for a while before we eventually actually went up. Now this took us up to about 84, 85, and from there, yeah, things started to go down again back to 83, and then we fell off the cliff. Now this took us all the way down to about 79, if not 80 exactly, and then from there, we are still sat around that level on 80.14 at the time of filming. So the past 5 day has also been bringing us down. Like you said, we wanted to find that support level around the 90 cent mark. That was ideal into yesterday, and potentially even higher than that, but we're going to talk about that in just a second. But yeah, today is a negative day, and that is the main thing that we're looking at. Same thing can be said for the past month, same thing really can be said for the majority of the 6 month, because whilst we are still in the green, if you would have bought in around here, like a lot of people did, you would still be in the red right now massively, and you'd actually be a bit more in the red today. So for some people it is still a positive story over here, but for others, well, we are still looking red. Anyway, out to the 1 day chart, and you will see a key level that we're looking to hold is 80. At this point, I'm not sure how likely this is, and as far as points of break outside are concerned, we're talking potentially up to about 90, but really even lower than that, 81. Because you will see we've dropped massively right now, looking to break past this level where we had difficulty. But again, for me, as far as the bottom versus the top, I'm looking more for that support than I'm looking for that breakout. So I'm going to say 80 is a key level. Again, how likely we are to hold this is unclear because we're dropping more and more. Only a couple of fractions of a cent away from that right now, so it is really questionable. Now, in yesterday's video, we established that we wanted to remain in this level. You will see around about 90. That would have been ideal. Again, if we were able to do that, that would be fair enough. That would be a fair bottom. But obviously that was not the case, and we actually went even lower. Now, prior to that, we were looking to actually get above 100, you will see. And that was not something that was impossible, you know, but obviously from there, we did start to drop. Now, between the ranges of 90 and 100, so about 90 cents and $1, that was completely reasonable for yesterday. We weren't able to hold that support, so we did drop even lower. So we've already established that we're looking more for the support level than we are for the resistance level, because I think it is more likely than not. We're looking to break down if we are going to be breaking to either side, but if not, we're looking for that consolidation. Anyway, indicators for this one, we're looking at a MACD figure on the 5 day, which is of course negative because we are coming down. RSI figure is also relatively low. Have a look at that. You will see that this is currently sat on 25. Now this is absolutely on the bottom end of what is even considered normal. Bear in mind, only 5 points away from this is considered oversold, so we really are getting down there, and volume has been abysmally low throughout both the day and the past 5 days. Now the 1 month indicators show us 34 for our RSI. Once more, 20 is considered oversold, so we're coming down there quite quickly, and the trend on the MACD, as you may expect, is now falling as well. We're way below the 50-day MA, so the moving average, and this drop is just becoming steeper and steeper. And again, today's volume is super low. It's not abysmally low in comparison to what we're seeing in the past month, but come back to the highs and you'll see it's significantly lower than that. So in context, it's not too bad, but we've wanted this to stay up for some time, so getting lower and lower over time is a negative thing, and I think it is worth highlighting. So now with this one, I would say be very, very careful. I would be questioning whether CEI was a good buy anymore. it was speculative in the first place. Obviously, all the way from the price of $3, I have been bearish on this one. Coming down to about $1, I became a little bit more neutral, and coming down to 90 cents, I said, okay, this one does have that potential now to see a small reversal. As I said, it could have been a decent trade, potentially, between the levels of 90 and about 120. Obviously, we were not able to remain in that level, so now I'm becoming a bit more questioning of CEI. Now, if you are looking for this one, again, we're looking for that support at 80, so that is something that I would keep my eyes on for a potential entry. But obviously, I would definitely urge on the side of caution and say make sure to manage your risk. So, I hope you did enjoy the video, guys. If you did, smash the like button and subscribe to help us out. And I will, of course, see you in another one, which will be out later on. Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.